How's it going, ColorOS users? Here are a couple of hidden features found within ColorOS 11 that I bet you didn't know existed, or you probably forgot about. Some of these were just released within the new Android 11 update, while others are just some awesome goodies that I couldn't help but show off. By the way, the phones that I used to make this video are the OPPO F17 Pro and Find X2 Pro. The F17 Pro is a really fantastic looking phone. It has a lot of the same features found within some higher end flagships. And if you want a full detailed rundown of ColorOS 11, I made a video about that with the OPPO Find X2 Pro a few weeks back. Click the eye in the right corner if you want to check it out. But anyways, let's jump right in. If you want to spice up your home screen with some awesome custom wallpapers that no one else will have, ColorOS 11 released a new feature within its settings that lets you create custom wallpapers based on a photo that you took on your phone. To find this feature, you need to open the settings, go into the personalization menu, tap on wallpaper, local album, select a photo, and tap on the light bulb icon to generate a unique background. From there, it'll use a special algorithm to reorganize and analyze the colors within the photo to create a set of exclusive wallpapers with different styles. Every wall that it generates is extremely gorgeous and perfect for any home screen setup. The reason why I love ColorOS 11 is because how customizable the interface is. If we hop into the settings and jump into the personalizations menu once again, this is where the jackpot is because within this screen, you can personalize anything you want. But what I wanted to focus on for the second hidden feature is that you can create custom animated patterns for the always on display. You just tap on the plus icon, and then within the black panel, you can drag your finger to generate a set of mesmerizing patterns. You can even add different colors. From there, you can set the pattern to appear in your always on display, and it'll animate when you lock the phone. OPPO has managed to make one of the coolest ringtone makers in existence. If you have an OPPO phone running ColorOS 11, you should look for an app in your launcher called OPPO Lab. Here you'll find a vast list of experimental features. Lab Ringtone is my favorite experiment yet. The way this works is you can select a musical tone, and then within the pad you can change the rhythm of the song just by dragging the white circle around. You can make your ringtone sound thrilling and vibrant, or you can slow down the tempo to get something a bit more relaxing. Once you're satisfied with the final result, just hit generate and set it as your ringtone. It's easily one of the coolest ways to create custom sounds. Now I will admit, I've only begun using ColorOS this past year, and this next hidden feature has been around for a while, but it's a great tool that's found within the Soloop app. It's an OPPO app that is pre-installed, and it's the easiest video editor that I've ever used. In fact, it's so simple that it will create a video for you with special effects, music, text, etc. And all you need to do is select the pictures and videos. So to create an awesome montage, just tap on auto generate, select the clips or pictures that you want within the final video, tap on finish, and once your contents get imported, you'll be able to select a variety of different video styles. For example, you can have your film be action-packed and exciting, or you can turn it into a sad story. The emotion behind the final result is all up to you. Plus, you can even customize the clips, change the music, add filters, etc. And once you like what you see, you can hit generate and the video will be saved in your gallery. Quick and simple. Another feature that's been around for a while, but I feel like some have forgotten about, is the assistive ball. Let's say for whatever reason the lock key on your phone stops working, or you want an easier way to navigate the phone with just one hand. Well, if you go into the settings, tap on convenience tools, and then assistive ball, you can enable it and a white circle will pop up on the screen. From there, you can interact with it to do various things like take a screenshot, open the notification center, launch the recent menu, etc. And you can modify the gesture operations for each task, turn it into a tap menu, or even move the circle around. Whenever I'm stressed or want to focus on an assignment, I use OPPO Relax to play peaceful sounds. With the newest ColorOS 11 update, this app has been redesigned and comes with a variety of different features. Probably the coolest change is that you can listen to the sounds of city life. You just tap on the hamburger menu, select Explore, and choose whatever city you'd like. They have popular cities from China, Thailand, Japan, and Iceland, and the sounds you're listening to are actual recordings of the environment. So once you let your mind drift, you'll eventually feel like you're in a different country. It's extremely cool. Moving on, for those who are running ColorOS 11 and love to use the dark mode interface, there's a new way to modify the darkness of the background now. So if you prefer a lighter black tone, you can hop into the settings, display and brightness, toggle dark mode, then tap on dark mode settings, and within this page, you can choose medium or gentle. For that cherry on top, you can even have ColorOS adjust your wallpaper and icons on the home screen for a better dark mode experience, and you can even force enable dark mode for incompatible apps. There's a lot of goodies within this one menu. Out of all the hidden features that I've shown off so far, this next one is the smallest, but it's still useful and I don't see why you shouldn't enable it. Basically, if you want to keep track of your RAM usage quickly, there's a way that you can enable that info within the recents menu. You just hop into the settings, tap on additional settings, recent task manager, and then toggle display RAM/memory information for recent tasks. That's it. For those who constantly use their phone with one hand, you're going to love this next feature. It's a gesture on the home screen that pulls down all your apps so you can reach them a lot easier, and it's done just by swiping inward on the left or right side of the screen. It's really useful if you always use your phone with one hand, and it's great when you have a giant device like the Find X2 Pro. To enable it, hop into the home screen settings, tap more, select icon pull down gesture, and toggle that setting. Last but not least, ColorOS has a smart sidebar that lets you quickly do tasks or open apps. But the coolest part about that is that you can add any app to this menu, and depending on what app you choose, tapping it may open it in a floating window. You can also drag an app out of this sidebar to open it in split screen mode, but that's only if the app supports it. It's a really great way to multitask. Anyways, those are all my favorite hidden features found within ColorOS 11. If you guys enjoyed this video, do me a favor and please smash that thumbs up button. Also, why not get subscribed with the notification bell turned on? All of my content is great and I'm sure you'll love watching what I upload in the future. Thank you guys for watching and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Kapow!